Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You can use a Google Play digital gift card to buy apps, games, movies, and books. You need a Google account and active internet to redeem a card. The card contains a 16-character code printed or emailed to you. Codes are redeemable only in the country where your Google account is registered. The balance attaches to your Google account and does not expire. Keep the code secure until you redeem it to avoid unauthorized use. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet to start redemption. Tap your profile icon in the top right to open the account menu. Tap Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem to open the code entry field. Type the 16-character code exactly as shown and then tap Redeem to accept the balance. The added balance appears immediately and is available for purchases, subscriptions, or in-app items. If prompted, confirm your payment method and complete the purchase. If a code fails to redeem, first confirm your Google account country matches the card country. Double-check the 16-character code for visual errors and re-enter it carefully. Remember that Google Play balance does not expire, and you can use it for subscriptions and in-app purchases. The balance generally cannot be converted to cash or transferred between accounts. Keep proof of purchase and the original email or receipt in case you need to contact Google Play Help. Use the Play Store app to access support and submit requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.